Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about two of video enhancer AI tools that are very dominant in this market right now, tools that focus on upscaling and things like that. We're going to be talking about the differences between them, what one lacks, what the other one excels in, and vice versa, and etc. So we are talking about the AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI and the Topaz Video Enhance AI. So first of all, when it comes to these two tools, one of them is more focused on user friendliness. So we are talking about the AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI, which is a lot more easy to navigate and is focused on the customers that may not have a extended or extensive knowledge and use or previous use of these tools. However, this comes on the sacrifice of certain capabilities that Topaz Video Enhance AI has. So Topaz may not be as user friendly as AVCLabs are, but they definitely offer a more broad experience, and they are a lot more capable of fine-tuning your content. So when it comes to upscaling, Topaz offers a range of choices such as percentage-based upscaling and various output resolutions from SD to HD, 4K, and 8K. On the other hand, AVCLabs gives you more of the upscaling with denoise and face enhancement built in, and it provides choices of upscaling from SD to 8K. However, it does not give you the options of percentage-based upscaling. However, the interface and usability of AVC gives it's very simplistic, and it gives you automatically processed videos without requiring excessive fine-tuning, as I have previously said. But with Topaz, you will have the option of fine-tuning, and it gives you the extensive range of adjustments that you can create. However, there is a difference in pricing. Of course, Topaz Video Enhanced AI is priced at $199 per year, while AVCLabs is priced at $39 per month, or $119 per year. So in conclusion, both of these video enhancers offer powerful features for upscaling and enhancing videos. As I have said, AVCLabs is a lot more user-friendly and provides a simpler solution, while Topaz is a lot more complex and gives you a lot more options. So if you are someone who has previous knowledge in this field, then Topaz is for you. If you are working on certain professional projects, you will have more use with Topaz, while if you are working as starting in this field, or you do not need these complex options, you can use AVCLabs. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.